How to make chicken biryani at home. Here's a simple recipe for chicken biryani that you can try at home. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 cups basmati rice. 3 cups water. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 2 green chilies, slit. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 4 cloves. 4 green cardamom pods. 2 bay leaves. 1 cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon red chili powder. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. 1/4 cup chopped mint leaves. Instructions: 1. Rinse the rice thoroughly and soak it in water for 30 minutes. 2. Heat oil in a pan and fry the onions until golden brown. Remove half of the onions and set aside for garnishing. 3. Add the cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom pods, bay leaves, and cinnamon stick to the remaining onions in the pan. Fry for a minute until fragrant. 4. Add the ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and chicken pieces to the pan. Fry until the chicken is browned on all sides. 5. Add the salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, and red chili powder to the pan. Stir to coat the chicken pieces evenly. 6. Add the yogurt, cilantro, and mint leaves to the pan. Stir well to combine. 7. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pan. Mix well with the chicken and spices. 8. Add the water to the pan and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and cover the pan with a lid. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is fully cooked and the water has been absorbed. 9. Garnish with the reserved fried onions and serve hot with raita and salad. Enjoy your homemade chicken biryani. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.